ingredients are cocoa powder, dates, and milk powder. Yeah.
Okay. So what we are going to make first? We are going to make chocolate, or we are going to make coffee bite first?
Chocolate.
So yeah, okay. Let's. So ask Dadi or good Dadi also. Murthy auntie, Dadi is also here. Vaishali auntie is also here. What she want to make? Ask her also, right?
No, she want to make coffee bite.
Yeah, I want to make coffee bites, but we can do half. So you can make both, some for, mama, papa, and some for you.
All right. So we already make chocolate yesterday. That's why this is like that. Okay. So let's. So this is a cocoa powder we are going to use.
Half cup cocoa powder?
Yeah, half cup cocoa powder, but based on the quantity, how much you are making.
Okay.
So definitely we need more milk powder and less cocoa powder.
Yeah. Okay.
So she's going. Oh, something is kindled. Okay, perfect. Now I think Anshi is also here. Yeah, Navya, you can put it now. Maybe full. Yeah, take the full one.
Okay.
Oh, let me. Okay.
So we mix this all in the blender itself?
Yeah. We are going to put everything in blender.
Okay.
And then we are going to put this. You need to remove the seeds if you have.
Next, we will add the dates.
Yes. Next, we will add the dates. Just the same quantity. 5 dates, maybe 2 spoons, and 2 spoons cocoa powder and 5 dates.
Okay.
I took the cocoa powder, which is an unsweetened one, so we need more dates.
Okay. And there's no additional sugar, right? No sugar.
No additional sugar. Dates, you will not even realize, like after eating the chocolate, you will not even realize that there's a dates inside. It will look like a sugar only. Right? So she already added. And now the next thing is, the important thing is this milk powder. We are using this one. You can use any of that. So let me put some. I'm also enjoying this process because I love this chocolate. Yesterday we made and we finished all of it. So 2, 4, 5. Oh, okay. Eva is also ready that okay, we are making chocolates. Okay, so after then we will put some butter. You wanna do? Okay, you do it. Okay, Eva. So we can add some butter also right now.
You also said ghee.
Yeah, we can put some ghee also. If you don't have butter, you can put ghee.
Okay. Is it melted or just softened butter?
The softened butter is okay. So 1 spoon of butter. And Navya, you wanna put it in the, and just put on. Same process we will do for the coffee bite also.
But use different.
Huh?
Use different.
Only cocoa powder will not be there.
Yeah.
Oh, so instead of cocoa, we will substitute with coffee powder.
Yes.
Mama,
Yes.
you don't need to put butter in that, Mama.
No, we can put butter. Little bit butter. But after this, once everything is powder, like dates, especially dates are not there, right? You can see that there is nothing. So dates are also in the powder form now. So what we need to put, we need to keep it in the bowl, which can be microwavable.
Okay.
We need to put all the mixture inside the bowl and we need to microwave it for 15 seconds or to 30 seconds. No, don't do it like this. Spoon, use a spoon.
Hello.
All right, so we put it in the on the bowl. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds.
Along with the butter, or you already added the butter in?
Yes, we already added butter, so I'm not putting anything else.
Okay.
I'm just putting in microwave.
Okay. Okay.
Take a plate and put ghee on it.
Grease it with the ghee.
Grease it with ghee.
Just like we do it for barfi and all, right? Grease. Wash it.
Then you can get a one week.
So now, after putting in the microwave, the mixture is like a little, it's become very soft, and you can just make a dough of it. So, but it is little hot. I put it for 30 seconds. So I'm just making it a dough. It's little hot, so I'm just using it myself. So, but it is soft now, and you can easily make
Mama,
a
you
dough.
put too much.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you put a lot actually. Maybe just it's okay. That's fine. So this chocolates will be like we make barfi. So it's dough is ready. So your chocolate will be ready. Last time when we made, I put some ghee also on it to make it a little more smooth. I'm putting a little bit ghee also in it.
Mama, there also is a lot of ghee.
It's okay, not on the plate. I'm just putting it in the dough. So it's already hot and it will give the nice texture. Right? You want to try now? Yeah. Your hands are washed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You can try it now. And you can put it here. After making a nice dough, you can put it here just like a barfi. Okay, so I think our dough is ready. So chocolate bite is going to be ready.
Chocolate
soon.
bite?
Yeah, these are the chocolate bites, right?
Okay.
You will
Like
make
this,
chocolate
Mama?
kind of a melody.
Like this?
Yeah.
It looks very yummy.
And now you need
Ready.
to prep it. So you can press it nicely. And half of the plate we will use for the coffee bites maybe. Because you put a lot. Similar way it will come. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah. See, you can, if you want to put some, crispy thing. I mean, you want to give some biscuit. So basically, you can put some biscuits and wrap it around. So we did it yesterday, and it came out good. Just biscuit over it and just wrap it and then cut it. So this is also we can do, but today we are just going to cut it. So you can just cut it. Navya, you want to do it? Okay, you can cut it and then we will make the coffee. So these chocolates
Mama,
are.
we can harden it, right?
Yeah, we can harden it. We can put it in the refrigerator. It will automatically. No. See, do it like that. Just little bit. You can move it. Yes.
Looks good, Navya. Good work.
Thank you.
Okay. No. We have one side. Yeah. Like this.
Mama,
Yeah. Do it. So chocolate bites are going to be ready soon.
Yeah, I think
All right.
what I
Perfect.
realized that really the best of the best is Abhishek.
Okay. Slowly. Okay. So give me. Then it will be stick like this. And yeah. All right. So we can put it in the refrigerator. While for the coffee bite also same thing. We don't need to put in the refrigerator. It will come out like that. But yeah, I think we can reduce the quantity of butter and ghee if you don't want. That's optional, but we liked it, so we just put it. You want to try out, Navya, how the sweet and all? Eva
No,
is here.
I will try out when it is refrigerated.
Okay, all right. So do you want to start the coffee bite now?
Yeah.
Okay, here is the chocolate one. And now we are going to make.
Put it in the refrigerator.
Okay,
It looks perfect. It looks very yummy.
looks yummy, yeah. Thank you. So Navya, you want to make the coffee bite now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me know what all things you need. I will give you. You want coffee? Of course.
Coffee,
Right?
yeah, of course.
One more thing we forgot to mention that if you can also put oats inside it, and it will give you the texture like what brownie. If you put oats inside it, it will give you the texture like brownie. Actually, we already tried it, right? And she really love. We are love the oats one. All right, so we have coffee here. What coffee we have? We are going to use Nestle. This one. And what is? We need to put very less coffee. We don't need to put a lot. Yeah, but not very less.
We are making coffee, right?
Yeah, this will be real coffee bite. So I'm putting 1 spoon of coffee. It's a lot, but we are going to make. We are going to make half of the quantity of the chocolate one. So this is the dates we are need to make.
More. Should I put 2 dates?
We need to put a lot, like just like five dates.
Okay.
Okay.
No, not like that.
Okay, you need to remove seeds, okay?
Hmm.
So dates we are using for use. Why are we using dates, Navya?
To for the
Okay,
sugar.
you wanna put
For the sugar, we put dates.
Yeah, it's instead of sugar, we are using dates. Sugar is healthy or dates are healthy?
Dates are healthy. I don't like dates, but I like chocolate.
Yeah. When you put it into in these sweets, nobody will guess if it is dates or sugar.
Hello.
You want to put more dates? Just put more dates, but make sure you are not putting the seed. We did this mistake one time.
Yeah, and then and then I do
But yeah. You need to remove seeds, like you need to open it and you will find a seed. Eva is also helping. This is the seed, okay? You need to remove it. You can keep it here. And I'm getting the milk powder. Milk powder is important. Yeah, milk powder has some sugar inside actually. But it's okay. We can use the different. This milk powder is having sugar actually, but Nestle's milk powder is having sugar inside. But you can use different deep sugar. Milk powder also. It's not having sugar inside. So I'm putting 4.
Then you have to put more dates.
Yeah,
10 dates.
I think that's it. And yeah, more powder needed here with the coffee white. Let's put it inside the now we need to blend it everything, okay? So let's do it. Okay, can you please?
We need to put some ghee.
You can smell it, Navya.
It smells like coffee.
Coffee white or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay, we are using the same bowl. Just need to keep everything inside this.
And then mix.
Yeah. We will mix it.
Why?
Just like we did it for the chocolate, we are going to do it for the coffee bite also.
No, don't start with mix.
It's okay. Little bit chocolate and coffee bite is fine. So we need to mix it nicely. See, it's already, because of the dates, you can still make the dough. But definitely we are going to put it inside the microwave.
And then you also
And we are going to put little bit ghee inside.
So you have to put coffee bite for 20 seconds, not 30 seconds.
Basically, you should feel that it's melting and it's giving like a ghee is coming out and the butter,
Look, I
whatever.
see chocolate.
Yeah, little bit chocolate is there because we use the same bowl. You can press it, Naveen.
Okay,
Then
I
you-
will press only.
Then you need to wait little bit, okay?
Vinti, hi Mamta here. Just join.
Yes, Mamta, hi.
Hi. It's just one question. You're like, for coffee, we use coffee powder, right? For chocolate, do we use cocoa powder or something else?
Cocoa powder. We use cocoa
Okay.
powder.
Just
yeah.
that's the difference, right?
Yeah, that's the difference of.
And you can also add oats in the chocolate.
Yeah, you can add oats if you want to make it like a brownie kind of a texture. So it will look like a brownie only. I mean, we tasted it, it was like a brownie. You can put oats also. We added in Coffee Bite, I haven't added butter inside. I just added a little bit ghee on the top, and that's it.
Okay.
Basically, you can completely avoid putting butter inside the mixture. You can just put a little bit ghee when you are putting in the microwave.
And again.
Okay. And is there any proportion like, sorry,
Proportion for
like the ghee quantity of ghee we have to put?
quantity of ghee is just like a half of a spoon, and that's it.
Okay. Just for basically hitting it in the oven, right?
Yeah, just putting, yeah, exactly. Just a sprinkle. But yeah, Coffee Bite taste will be completely the way it is. Actually, it will be exactly you will feel it.
Okay.
The real
Let me
Coffee
try
Bite.
it. Okay.
And
Yeah,
you
thanks.
put it, no problem. So we tried it like that, and it came out really good. So we thought to share it. So just and chocolate, we put it in the mix with this one in the refrigerator, but I don't think Coffee Bite we need to put. And also I think we can completely avoid putting ghee. I haven't tried it, but yeah, we can avoid putting ghee. And see this, yeah, right now it is taking little time. I mean, when we are cutting, but after then, so basically it will be dried up. It's not like this is sticky. After some time, right? You will keep it, and then you can easily, kind of a candy feeling, kind of a bite feeling, Coffee Bite. But it is little hard to cut right. Yeah, I like it. You all should make it and try it. These are the one which we made, the chocolate, Cocoa Bite,
Mama, it's
and Coffee
done.
Bite.
It is
It is done. We can put little bit
hard.
for more time. Yeah, it's hard.
It's like Hershey's chocolate. This part is Hershey's chocolate.
So this is for parents, and this is for kids. We both can eat also.
No.
So
Kids.
okay. So Navya, it was your session, and I just took over.
No, actually, I don't know how to make.
Okay. So you should ask everyone any questions or anything there you can.
You know how to make?
Okay. Ask then.
You have any question?
No, Navya, I think it's a great, simple recipe, and thank you for teaching. And it's healthy and it's quick, and I'm going to try out both the versions for coffee as well.
Show me. Can you show me?
Oh, she will try it.
No,
Yes.
can you show me?
What?
I will show you once I try it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mamta, for joining.